It's your boy Man Rio, man. Just keep on subscribing to me. I'll be out. I ain't locked up for no little shit. I just wanna let y'all know I'm locked up too. It don't got shit to do what I'm talking about on my YouTube channel. I just want y'all to be safe and just watch every video I done told y'all about and low-key went into details what primaries and installment loans, Cpns, the checks and shit. You know what I'm saying? How to make the social right. Just log in, man, and tap in. And I just want to let y'all say I love y'all so much for supporting me, but I ain't finna be on this bitch for a couple months or a year or 2, 3 years, 3 years. Like, man, I just want to let y'all know, man, thank you for the support. When I get out, I'm gonna stand on business. I ain't gonna be locked up no more because I just want to keep on feeding y'all information. Like, you know what I'm saying? And the ones that it didn't trust me, and like, you know what I'm saying, still subscribing. You ain't trust me with your money, y'all still subscribing, even though I, you know what I'm saying, still show love to y'all and gave y'all, you know what I'm saying, free sauce and shit with a conversation. You was trying to act like y'all was finna pay me. Just know, hey, I love y'all too, man. I still love y'all on B. Like, niggas really was homeless for real, and I was still giving that shit out for y'all for free, you know? Like, I love y'all so much though, man. Like, y'all don't understand somebody's situation. That's why I was low-key going cheap, because I knew the information. I knew it was passing, but I still was doing that shit for the low, and I was homeless for like 4, 5 months, living in a basement. Like, but that's just like, subscribe to me on BD, and when I get out, I'm gonna stand on business. Like, look, you know I was homeless for real. My pants low-key look dirty, like, you know. That shit look dirty, so it's like, man, that's one thing to tell y'all. Thank y'all, man. It's your boy Man Rio. How no fell. In 2, 3 years or a year, I'm gonna be her. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have updated sauce for y'all. I'm finna go on vacation.